Hello guys, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. VP Records' Strictly the Best reaches its 62nd edition in 2022. Strictly the Best is the longest-running reggae dancehall series, highlighting trending dancehall and reggae songs that are breaking hits or about to break from top artists. This year's limited edition CD features 14 exclusive tracks from artists such as Taurus Riley, Chronic Law, Elaine, Iwata, Noah Poa, and Christopher Martin, just to name a few. In addition, tracks 1 through 7 will only be available on the physical version of the album. Last Wednesday, VP Records launched Mish by Jashi, shifting gears this year with a digital focus. The series exploded in popularity in the early years, featuring 4 editions in both 1992 and 1993, which include artists Sanchez, Speedy Man, and Barris Hammond. Now, Jamaican dancehall singer Samantha J's Push Your Luck is up for a Grammy consideration in the Best Pop Solo Performance category. The Los Angeles-based singer is officially back on the scene. After taking some time away in 2020 to give birth to her son, now she's back with her latest single, Push Your Luck. This comes almost 10 years after her breakout release, Tight Skirt, in 2013, which samples Red Rack's classic hit, Tight Up Skirt. Now, Samantha J expressed that the CEO of Anchor Music Group provided the rhythm a few years ago, but recently added her lyrics, which birthed the new single. She is expecting to release her new EP in 2023. On the international